Hello to each and everyone. I am the second presenter of the chapter 5.1, which is the Philippines Festival. And my topic is all about the Ati-Atihan and the Carabao Festival. So before I proceed to my topic, I will read my objectives. My objectives is at the end of this lesson or the chapter, the students will be able to know the history of the Ati-Atihan and the Carabao Festival, the cultural significance of these festivals, and the impact of this festival to the communities. So the Ati-Atihan Festival was originally a pagan festival or a missionary gradually that today Ati-Atihan is celebrated in honor of the Christ child, the Santo Niño. So, i-dedicate nila niyang Ati-Atihan Festival is para kang Santo Niño or yung batang si Jesus. Then, niya-develop sang niyang Ati-Atihan Festival based on my research, in 13th century daw, kay tungod ng yung mga Ati people at sang Panay Island, kay dumating daw yung mga Malay settlers para makipagkalakalan para sa mga Ati people. Then, dito na nagsimula yung Ati-Atihan Festival. Yearly, ginaganap na ito ng mga Malay settlers para sa mga Ati peoples. Then dito na influensyahan yung mga Ati people, kaya nabuo ito, yung pagdiriwang o yung Ati-Atihan Festival dito sa Pilipinas. So the background history of Ati-Atihan Festival is the Ati-Atihan Festival is a week-long celebration in the Philippines. So it's considered the oldest festival in the country and is known as the mother of the all Philippine festival. The festival is celebrated in several towns in province of Aklan, especially in Panay Island, but the biggest celebration is in capital in Nakalibo. So makikita nyo sa larawan na yung mga Ati people talaga nakasuot ng mga colorful costumes na often adorned with beads and mga feathers, and dance through the streets to the beat of drums and gongs. So the highlights of the festival in Grand Parade where thousands of people join in the festivals. Halos tanan utaw sang Aklan halos siya join gid siya na festivals. Kay ngiyan ang siyan gid manggod ya develop gayud yan na festivals. So the atmospheric is electric with people shouting, maglaong din, hala, bira! Tapos masayaw, kanta. Then, the parade culminate in a religious procession honoring the Santo Niño. So, di gyapon nila kalingawan si Santo Niño, kay isayan sang yaka significance na para mabuo isabiyang Ati-Atihan Festival, para kang Santo Niño o yung batang si Jesus. So, the next festival is the Carabao Festival. Yung Carabao Festival is a yearly celebration in the Philippines that honors the Carabao or water buffalo and its importance to the farmers. So, ngini na festival is from the word sang Carabao. Ading ini dedicate ngini adi sa mga utaw para dito sa mga tao dito sa Pilipinas na noon kasi is grabe ka hardworking yung mga tao dito sa Pilipinas. Then, in the background history of the Carabao Festival, the Carabao Festival is a yearly celebration in the Philippines that honors the Carabao or water buffalo and the agricultural importance of the animal. The festival also celebrates the Hispanic and Catholic origins of the event. The Carabao is the national animal of the Philippines. So, nung makita sa mayong saan nga mga high school or elementary ka muna, yung national animal adi sa Philippines is ang Carabao. So, it is symbolizes, like I said earlier, na ga-symbolize yung Carabao Festival para sa mga otaw na symbolize our strength or ga-symbolize yung Carabao manggod, yung Carabao na animals para sang strength, power, efficiently and perseverance and hard work. Di ba makita sa mayo na how gamiton yung animals na Carabao is grabe ka grabe gid ka kuan, di ba? Grabe ka power. Mananghaw ko ang grabe ka powerful, grabe yung strength. So the festival honors in San Isidro Labrador. So in the patron saint of farmers. So si San Isidro Labrador is the patron saint of farmers. So yan, isa yan ka Spanish people na known for his piety and dedication to agriculture. So many Filipino farmers revere him and pray for a bountiful harvest. Grabe yan makaalaga sa mga Filipino farmers. Agaw man ang tudo naman ang ikuan yan, i-pray gyapon ang ang gihapon yan. So kada year iganap yang Carabao Festival, kay isa sabihan na kuan sang Carabao Festival si San Isidro Labrador. So yung kuang guide overview sang Carabao Festival, isa yan is a vibrant celebration na held annually in various provinces. Biskan hain nga ni sa Pilipinas iganap yang Carabao Festival. Pero adto kay den primarily sang Bulacan, Nueva Ecija, House ng Rizal. So the festival typically takes place in May and involves colorful parades with decorated carabaos, street dancing and cultural performances. It's a testament to the deep-root connection between Filipinos and their agriculture heritage. So that's all for my report. Thanks for watching. Also, I am Raylan Tobilla from BED1.